Good morning, class. Today I'll explain about how to take limit by using expansion. Here, using expansion, how we will expand it using binomial theorem. How you are using binomial. As per this, we have to find out limit. In earlier class, you have learned taking limit by using factorization, by rationalization, but here now expansion method. So two formulas are there. These two formula we have to note down. Limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a is equal to n a n minus 1. A is any constant term. N a n minus 1. But the value of a should be positive, greater than 0, means value of a should be positive. Another formula also is there. Limit x tends to a, x to the power m minus a to the power m divided by x to the power n minus a to the power n is equal to m by n. So this power, numerator power divided by denominator power, m by n, a to the power m minus n. By using this or this formula, we are going to give one example. So limit x tends to 2 x to the power 5 minus 32 divided by x square minus 4. So first I am going to use first formula. How we will get from using first formula? Using first formula. Limit x tends to 2 x to the power 5 minus 32. 32, if you break it, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. So we can say that 2 to the power 5. Divide by, here denominator is x minus a, but here denominator is different. So we can put x minus 2. X minus 2. Whole divided by, again, x square minus 2 square divided by x minus 2. What you will get? Upper part, if you take, use this formula, n a n minus 1. N is here 5, 5, a, in place of a is here 2. 2 into n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 divide by, again denominator, so here is again 2 into 2 to the power 2 minus 1. Finally you will get 5 into 2 to the power 4 by 2 into 2 to the power 1. And you got it, 5 by 2 into 2 to the power 4 minus 1 is 3 is equal to 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 20. Now if you use second formula also, we can get the same answer. Just you see here, using second formula. Direct you can use here. Limit x tends to 2 x to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 5 by x to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 2 is equal to m by n means 5 by 2. Direct we can write 5 divided by 2. And a to the power m minus n means 2 to the power 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 by 2 into 2 to the power 3 is equal to 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 20. 5 4. So either you use first formula or you use second formula, always we will get same answer. So whichever you feel easy, convenient for you, then you can solve, you can use that formula. Now I'll give you another example. another example I am giving you. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 6 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power 2 minus 1. So here 1 plus x, what we do for our easy convenience, so what we do, so put or let 1 plus x is equal to y. 1 plus x, in place of 1 plus x you put y. What will happen? Then here you will get x tends to 0. If x tends to 0 means x is tending to 0, then y is tending to 1. If x tends to 0, then y tends to 1, because 0 plus 1 is 1, so y is tending 1. So the same question we will write in the different form. Limit y tends to 1, and write here y to the power 6 minus 1 divided by y square minus 1 is equal to limit y tends to 1. Then how we will get formula? So y to the power 6, y to the power 6 minus 1. So we can say that y to the power 6 minus 1 to the power 6 divided by y square minus 1. 1 means 1 square. The same way which you have done before. So what we can do? 6 divided by 2 and 1 to the power 6 minus 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2 and 1 to the power 4. One more example I am giving you. Example 3. Limit x tends to a, x to the power 3 by 5 minus a to the power 3 by 5 whole divided by x to the power 1 by 3 minus a to the power 1 by 3. We will use second formula. Second formula is easy and direct. So what we do? We can do here first power by second power, m by n. You know formula. Limit, if I write here, limit x tends to a, x to the power m minus a to the power m divided by x to the power n minus a to the power n is equal to m by n and a to the power m minus n. Same formula we will use here. 3 by 5 whole divided by 1 by 3 and a to the power 3 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Then here we will get 3 by 5 into 3 by 1 and a to the power, take LCM 5, 15, 3, 3, 9 minus 5. What will get? 9 by 5 and a to the power 9 minus 5 means 4. 4 by 15. This is the answer. So in this way you can use direct formula and get answer. Now you will do assignment. I will give you exercise 14E, question number 1 to 7 you will do. It's all easy. So within one day you have to complete and submit.